Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are back in Javea to show you our latest listing. Right now we are in between LPWare and Rafalet to show you this beautiful house. And right here in front of me you see a natural area. It looks so cool. There are a lot of trees. It's very private. Let's go and have a look at the house. So we enter the villa here through this naya and we've got this gorgeous view right in front of it. And with these 3 picture windows, it is perfectly framed. This naya can completely be closed, so you have 2 motorized fabric shutters that can be put down and you won't notice anything of any wind. So the plot is southwest facing, so it has a good orientation. You got nice sun all day long, and I mean the view, it is really nice. You look all the way over the valley and the location is very good as well. So as I just said, we are in between the areas of Rafalet and LPWare, and we got the schools close by. So you got Lady Elizabeth School that way at just a few minutes driving, and Javea International College that way as well, just a few minutes. So it's a perfect area for families as well. And this property, as you might have seen already, is missing one thing. There's no swimming pool, but there are possibilities to put one, and at Villalux we have different architects that we know are really good that can definitely help you out with that, so that's not a problem. Besides that, we've got a summer kitchen with a pizza oven and a barbecue, and it's just a very nice space. Nice plot, completely flat, beautiful views. And that was it about the outside. Let's go inside and see what the house looks like. So we enter the villa through this oversized door, and when we enter the property you can see that they've used a mix of more traditional and modern elements. So as an example, what is traditional? We have this Tosca stone pillar, there's a Tosca stone accent wall, there's still barreled ceilings that are very trendy again at this moment, but there are smooth walls, they're all smooth rendered, so that gives it a more modern look right away. So all the windows are double glazed throughout the entire property. Heating, we've got underfloor heating, there's hot and cold air conditioning, there's a pellet burner right here, so you really got everything you need to keep the temperature in this property great. What else? I mean, obviously, as you can see, the property is empty right now, but if you look at this, you can see what it could turn into. And from here I would really like to show you the kitchen, because this kitchen, I said the door was oversized, this kitchen is oversized. There's so much space. We've got this cooking island, a big large worktop, we got this kitchen space here as well, of course. Nice modern appliances. This is an oven from a French brand. This is a good high quality oven. We have an American fridge, and we have direct access to the outside space through the door over there. So there is more to this villa, of course, and that's the bedrooms. Would like to touch on the fact that the ceilings are very tall as well, so this property feels very open and spacious. Right here we are in the hallway that leads to the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So on my left hand side we've got one bedroom, there's a shared bathroom. Right here we have another bedroom, and on my right hand side you have the master bedroom with a separate area that could be used as a dressing room and a bathroom, an ensuite that is just huge. Take a look. So we're almost done, but there's one last thing I would like to show you, which is this underbuild. This used to be a garage. You can easily just take this out and use it as a garage again, but you can also use it as an extra living space, extra bedroom, or a guest apartment. So I think this is also a good area to end this video. I hope you enjoyed the home tour. If you have any other questions about this property, as always, just get in touch with us. We are there to help. And of course, if you'd like to see it yourself as well. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest videos.